Everyone, about 30 minutes before sunset. Look, there's really not good enough clouds in the sky for rain. But look over here. We haven't got any rain. So, I don't know what the deal is with that, but it's something else. So, well, 30 minutes before sunset, check it out. Look at all the low lines through there. So I'm going to keep this short and simple. Here's what it looks like. That is just awesome right there, isn't it? So let's look at the west and then we'll get into the video. All right, here's the west. Got a big long cutoff right there. There's the south. There's the north. Got a lot of hey everyone, welcome to Roger Paul channel. Planet X Nibiru update today, folks. Here's the west. Look at this. How'd you like that rainbow at the beginning of the video? I want to do a shout out, and I would like to say hello to Alan from Southern Ohio, United States. I hope you're doing good, little buddy. And remember, be good and stay good. And hopefully everything be good for you. So, hello. Alright folks, looky here. Sky is just now, it's already turned colors. So, but we still got some red in here. Notice the colors, how it's like the clouds themselves are blue, red, yellow, some purple. Look back here in the east. Whoa, look at this. That's kind of weird right there. See how it's a little bit, see how this here is a little bit different in here? Just like in here. That's different than any of this. So that's the north though. Sorry about the telephone pole in the way. But look at the detail in these clouds, folks. Man, I like to get over in here. Yeah, stay with me, folks. I'm going to go over here and show you this. So, stick around. Alright folks, wow, look at the east. Jeez, oh, I didn't know it looked like this. Wow. There's the north. Notice how it's got all this here and then this. It's like it's completely different. Two different atmospheres, looks like. And then right there looks completely different. A little clearing right in there, but watch this. If I'm not mistaken, something cool is behind these trees over here. Look at that. That is something else, folks. And if you notice, see how smooth this here looks? Then we got this and that over there. But if you look, it comes down like this, goes over, and then kind of like goes round there, and then this turns into this. It is all disrupted up there. Man, that is cool. Can't believe this is the east. Jeez, oh. I can't believe how bright it is here in the east. Folks, it's almost, shoot, it's like 15 after 9 in the evening. Look at all this. Kind of looks like they chemtrailed right here, but that's no chemtrail. System trails is what that is. And folks, in my opinion, if these objects was at the sun, don't you think we'd be seeing all of this at sunset, at the sun? I believe it's a lot closer. Can objects be closer than the sun? Yep. Venus is closer than the sun, ain't it? Mercury's closer than the sun, isn't it? Well, these objects can be closer than the sun too. And in fact, Jupiter could be closer than it is, and it wouldn't really affect Earth that much. Depends on how close it was. But if you notice, look, this here's kind of like rounded, see? And folks, I mean, we need to get ready. I mean, really, none of us knows what's coming, you know? None of us knows what's incoming. Right now, all we can do is speculate, expect the worst, and hope for the best. That's all any of us can do. That's straight up. There's the west again. Look how much darker behind the clouds that is right in here. See it? See? How blue? Then it gets kind of dark right in here. And then it's right there. This is something else. This is awesome. So it's Nibiru tonight. You know what I mean? I mean, this system is close enough to where it's causing havoc worldwide. You know, from time to time we get trolls that says that, oh, you're just looking at clouds. Well, yeah, that's right, we are. But we also know we see like dark, shadowed, spherical shapes behind all this. And, you know, they're not going to say that they see it too. In fact, they're going to say the opposite because, you know, the trolls, it's people like that that cannot admit when they're wrong. You know, they're kind of hypocritical about everything. I mean, I've met a couple good, you know, good trolls who says they're just skeptic, you know, but they're you know, they would reason with understanding, you know. They wouldn't just come on and says, oh, you're effing liar, you're a crackhead, you're a meth head. They wouldn't say stuff like that. You know, and I mean, there's been a few times on my old channel that I had that I actually, you know, the trolls, there was about 2 or 3 of them. Every video they would say stuff, and I got where I'd talk to them, you know, and I didn't block them. And they ended up doing their own research and said they were going to prove me wrong, but actually began to understand and see the same things we did. And believe it or not, they became watchers. So, which is the same way I started. I started out to debunk all this, but as I studied and researched, I got seeing everything too. So, and then I got hearing that it's going to cause, you know, 3 and 4 mile tsunamis and, you know, tidal waves, 3 and 4 miles high, that it's going to cause the wind to get up to, you know, 1,000, 1,200 miles an hour. And I just got sick and tired of people being scared off that. And a couple people said they were going to commit suicide. That's when I really started showing, you know, and just told them, don't be afraid. It's not going to get like that. And yeah, it's going to change life as we know it when the poles shift, but heck, millions and millions and millions and millions of people will survive. So, you know, take it one day at a time. Don't be afraid. That's all I can say. It's how I'm doing it. So, but anyway, folks, I'm going to end this with that. And I will say thank you for watching. Much peace and love always. God bless you, everybody, and thank you for watching. Roger Paul channel. Nibiru Planet X update today. Love y'all, folks.